What's up, everybody? I'm Money Mike, and welcome to another episode of Elevated Crypto. First and foremost, I just want to say I hope everyone had a happy and safe holiday weekend. Can't believe we stormed right through the month of October already. We are into November, and it's election day already. Wow, time is really flying. We have a lot of important articles to cover today. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, so we have some very important articles to cover. I'm going to tell you why today is a very, very important day for Bitcoin and why I am bullish long term. So if you're excited for the content, if you like that rundown that we have coming for you here, do me a favor, smash that like button, make sure you hit subscribe, give me a follow over on Twitter, and let's get it. That being said, guys, let's just jump right into it today. I'm sorry, I'm a little pumped up. I'm excited, man. I think we are, really starting to get to the point where this mass adoption, picks up and takes hold and goes further. So right now, we're just going to take a quick rundown like we always do. Bitcoin dominance, guys, 63. I think our last video, we were either 60% or 62. So as you can see, that Bitcoin dominance is rising. And like we always say, when the Bitcoin dominance rises, these alts tend to usually take a hit. So keep that in mind. Okay, we are going to jump right into it here now. Today, I'm going to tell you right now why. Today is a very important day for Bitcoin. And guys, today marks the 100th consecutive day Bitcoin has traded above 10K. People might say, oh, big deal, big deal, who cares? Well, judging by the past historical movements of Bitcoin, every single time that it has held a certain line or traded over a certain margin for 100 consecutive days, there was always a big increase in the next 100 days to follow, sometimes taking as little as 2 days or 2 weeks. But so this is very bullish. This is very bullish long-term trend for Bitcoin. We could see this thing really take off, right? This is 100 days straight over 10,000. Today's the election day. Who knows what's going to happen? Maybe, who knows how this election shakes out, and will it affect the cryptocurrency market? That is something we need to keep our eyes peeled on. But honestly, if you want to judge by historical movements, betting with Bitcoin right now would be a smart move, right? Because we hit the 100 days, now we're surpassing it. When and if are we going to see a massive uptick in Bitcoin? Can it go from where it's at right now, 13.7, and within a few weeks be at 40,000? And I think it's possible, guys. I really do. Might sound outlandish now, but I think it's possible. So we're going to jump right into the articles. As always, I'm not going to bore you to death and read you these articles verbatim. I will link them in the descriptions below. I'm just going to point out certain things in these articles and why I think it's helping the general cause of pushing mass adoption for crypto. So that being said, guys, let's get it. We're getting right into this first one here. This is from CoinDesk. Mastercard president says crypto patents will pay off when central bank digital currencies arrive. And the big thing I took from that, right? Mastercard president says crypto patents will pay off, not if central bank digital currencies arrive, it's when. They know it's coming, guys, and that's why they're betting on this. And I'm saying us as consumers and, somebody who might have never invested in this before, guys, this is a big flashing signal that they expect this ecosystem, this cryptocurrency space, to grow massively in the next coming years. So getting in here early and investing early could be life-changing, right? So scrolling down, we'll take a quick look at this. We're not going to go wild. It says here, MasterCard President Michael Maybach said the payments processor's massive trove of cryptocurrency patents will give it an edge once central bank digital currencies debut. Not if, guys, when they debut. These people are betting big because they know this is going to take off. It says MasterCard's cryptocurrency intellectual property puts us in a good position for a CBDC future, they told analysts during the firm's Q3 earnings call. So guys, I'll link this below, but if a company as big as MasterCard is willing to bet that this is where the space is going, I think we should sort of roll with it and, and see where this is headed. And it's all headed towards mass adoption. Okay, the next one, PayPal. Now, we already know this isn't new news. PayPal, broke into the crypto space. But this is new news now. PayPal raises the crypto buying limit to $15,000 a week for eager customers. So what does that tell you? That tells you that there are some people that were buying the massive, buying whatever the limit was and weren't happy with it. They wanted more. So here we are, PayPal is raising it 15,000 a week. That is wild. So right now that'd be like somebody buying 1 Bitcoin per week. It says PayPal's cryptocurrency service is going to expand rapidly in 2021, executives said on the payments giant's third quarter earnings call Monday evening. That includes crypto services coming to Venmo and international customers in the first half of 21, PayPal CEO Dan Schulman said. Currently, only 10% of customers in the U.S. have access to the new crypto service, with the rest of the U.S. gaining access to the tools in the next 2 weeks. PayPal saw enough interest following its October 21st announcement that the firm has increased weekly crypto purchasing limits from 10,000 to 15. And that goes to tell you something, guys. There are people that are dumping massive amounts of money into this. Why? It's a good investment. Okay, moving on. This article was from CoinDesk, and so is this next one here. Square. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Square, that's a company. They also bet big on Bitcoin and mass adoption coming. And here they are. They're funding a designer to make crypto wallets usable by anyone. And right now, that's sort of the biggest catch-up on this crypto space is not really everybody's involved. It's a small niche of people, really. And a lot of people aren't sure, what crypto is. What's the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet? Things like that. And what do people, honestly, ask yourself this. What do people tend to do when they're not familiar or not comfortable with something? They don't use it. They move on. They find something else. So here, Square, this was a great idea, is, the cryptocurrency arm of the payments company said in a tweet Friday it had awarded a grant to a designer who's trying to make Bitcoin wallets usable by anyone, regardless of their technical proficiency. So guys, even people who aren't techie, who aren't into computers, they're going to try to come up with either an app, a wallet, something that could be massively used by everybody, something easy to understand. This was an article by Kevin Reynolds from CoinDesk, but again, guys, just showing you where this is headed. They're getting ready for mass adoption. And another thing I'm going to show you quick here, another article, DeFi, right? That was like the hottest word a few weeks ago. DeFi trading app DeHarma now connects directly to U.S. bank accounts. This is going to open up a whole new wave of people to invest into DeFi. The startup for trading in decentralized finance, DeHarma, has now enabled automated clearinghouse purchases in 13 U.S. states. Guys, again, this is something that is spreading. It's coming everywhere. We are going to see mass adoption. So I encourage you, really, do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But do your own research. Look into this, because you possibly could make an investment that changes the trajectory of the rest of your life. I'm telling you, we are early in this space right now. So this article will be linked below, but it says the ACH enables direct transfers from U.S. bank accounts so that users can go straight from holdings in U.S. currencies to cryptocurrencies. Purchasing tokens from a bank account incurs a 1.5% fee, and there's a limit of $25,000 in purchases per week. Wow, I wish we had that to spend weekly, right? Geez, not all of us do. With the new feature, DeHarma is betting it could stand out in the crypto space by making accessing blockchains easier in much the same way that Coinbase did. And everybody knows how popular Coinbase is. So who knows where this could take it. And finally, some news out of China, right? Some news from other places around the world that are also pushing forward into this space. And this right here is from the People's Bank of China. Governor says successful digital yuan trials have transacted $299 million. That's huge. The governor of the People's Bank of China praised recent test of its national digital currency at the Hong Kong FinTech Week conference on Monday. So guys, again, China getting more active, ramping up, and moving forward in this digital space. That's big for everybody. I'm sure all the other countries are going to follow. Nobody wants to get left behind. As we always cover on this channel, articles from all around the world, including the US, that are pushing towards a massive adoption of digital currencies, CBDCs, cryptocurrencies, everything, guys. It is coming. So open your eyes, do your own research, elevate yourself, elevate the people around you. Also, it's election day. Get out there and vote. Make your voice be heard. I'm telling you, people. You might not think it counts, but it does. Partake in this stuff. All right, guys. I will see you very soon on the next video. Have a good one.